Hello, it's Thomas Lefebvre. I'm quick to speak of my internship. It's the first party. I'm quick to speak my company. In the second party, how my internship do it spend, and in the last party, why do I like to work at this firm? Let's go for speak of my company. His name is Leroy Merlin. I have accomplished my internship in a superstore. It is located to Zone Petit Centre Commercial Auchan Villafera. It's next to Tourcoing. His activities have been the sale of items of dye, gardening, building and decoration. So I'm quick to speak of the history of Leroy Merlin. In 1923, Adolphe and Rose Merlin have created a company of military surplus because it was after the First World War. France would have to rebuild because a lot of cities have been destroyed. A lot of cities have been destroyed. It's a small story because you are American and Canadian. Actually, nice American and British Empire, in particular Canadians, were fought for the French against the cheese. So in the beginning his name is American stock. Then 1952 and 1959 new stores have opened in France. In 1960 the company was belong Leroy Merlin. This company currently, since 2009, this company has been the leader of market. Why about to speak of service of this company? In my super stories, a lot of services are proposed, like for example, dye equipment rental, learn to tinker, and Leroy Merlin is the intermediate between the customers and companies which have proposed their service. It's the local firms, like Crafts. Leroy Merlin is in charge of the for politique. For example, in the first time, the politique of communication. Leroy Merlin is famous, to national like international. There are a lot of marketing in the, by the television, by online, and by radio. Then, in the second time, the politic of price has been low, medium, high, because the customers are individual or professional. The third time, the politic of place is at superstories, next to other superstories like Auchan, which have belonged to same group. This group is ADO. Finally, I'm quick to speak of the politic of products. The items have provided of points. For example, Lexman, Legrand et Volongins. These points are French or European. Let's go for speak of the second party. I have accomplished my internship in the service of plumbing electricity. So I have accomplished tasks like, for example, the sale of items. Therefore, I have advised the customer or the items about the technique and commercial characteristics. However, I didn't appreciate at all, because I didn't know the characteristics of the items. So I must forget that I have made saving, because all the morning when I've begun the day. Thanks to the logistic department, all items arrived, and when the customers land their items in Mercury, I should make also shelving. I like this activity. Finally, for the last party, I would like work in this company because there is a good work ambience. There is of the brotherhood. In addition, I have the height opposed during the day of internship. In thanks to the human resource managers that I have taken in this company. Thanks to listen to me and goodbye.